obviously
Look at the bell.
on all sides.
Oh, wait. Watch the train.
Ladies and gentlemen, this turntable was originally installed in Macon, Georgia for the Central Georgia Railway. After it was used in Macon, reinstalled in Cedartown just south of Rome, and when it came up, as far as abandonment was concerned and in danger of being scrapped, the Tennessee Valley Railroad Museum salvaged it and installing it here in the early 1980s. But now, pulling the locomotive 4501 onto the table, ladies and gentlemen, this locomotive, known as the MS-282, this locomotive was the very first out of 182 built for the Southern Railway. And out of that 182 of its class built for the Southern Railway, it's the only one left. So it was first built, not necessarily so significant. Originally operating as a freight locomotive up in the Bulls Gap, Tennessee area, later of the Knoxville Division in different areas in East Tennessee. And right around the time its career ended with the Southern Railway in the Southern Indiana region of the Southern. Now, steam locomotives were being cut up and scrapped by the hundreds and thousands, and some of those really survived because perhaps, like the 4501, they're sold second-hand to small operating railroads, which is exactly the case with the 4501. The 4501, you got to understand, was built in 1911 by the Baldwin Locomotive Works up in Philadelphia. It is a 282, so it's an MS-282. When I say those numbers, 282, I'm talking about the wheel arrangement. How in the world do you know about the wheel arrangement? Well, you count wheel sets. Everyone knows what a set of twins or triplets looks like. Two or more things that look alike. Look at the front locomotive right here. All right. You see those two smaller leader pilot wheels? That's two. Behind those, 1, 2, 3, 4. Larger driving wheels on either side is 8. And 2 trailing wheels underneath the trucks here, underneath the cab itself. 282 at the 630, the other operational locomotive is 630 is a 280. You can have a 440 or 210, same wheel arrangement. This locomotive was built a little more than $23,000 by Baldwin. Later on in 1948, it was sold to the K&T Kentucky, Tennessee, a short line operation up in Stearns, Kentucky, up in the coal mining area between Kentucky and Tennessee. $8,000, and one of the 2 founding members of this museum, Mr. Paul Merriman, basically, its scrap value buys this locomotive for $5,000. It operates from Stearns, Kentucky, all the way to Chattanooga on its own power. And along the way, word had gotten out, people lined up on both sides of the track. The light bulb comes on from the Southern, and they realized, hey, man, this is a perfect opportunity. They began the mainline steam excursion program. Kato, by the way, that little nickname this engine, this class locomotive receives is because Japanese, that means import ruler, because actually Japanese railroads were ordering this class locomotive and using it on their Asian railroads. So, ladies and gentlemen, built in 1911, the very first out of 182, the only one of the 182 left. Ladies and gentlemen, locomotive 4501. Turn by her 1916 turntable, ladies and gentlemen. The depot was open for snacks, drinks, refreshments. Make your way back to the depot. Restrooms located there. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me or the other staff. And the wonderful thing about our crew is we're extremely creative people, and if we don't know the answers, we will make up some really good ones. Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause.